Godzilla's not here. He's absent. He's absent. He doesn't want to eat this airplane. Oh yeah, guys. There is actually turbulence. Maybe later is the turbulence. So crazy. So yeah, now my ears are actually already hurting. And look at that icon. Let me take a picture. Look at that. So yeah, where's the bro? I can see the engine. Oh, there's another island. Let me take that another picture. Actually, yeah, my ears start popping by the way. But yeah, I'm losing grip. Also, I actually have like a multi part that actually, I really wanted something with the merchandise. So yeah, it's just 30. It's just 40 to 50.
The seatbelt sign is switched off. For your safety, we require you to keep your seatbelt loosely fastened whenever you are seated. This is a non-smoking flight. Tampering with, disabling, or destroying the smoke detectors located in the lavatories is prohibited by law. We shall roll out our Fun Cafe snack bar. Be sure to check out the menu card found in your seat pocket for the complete list of snack and beverage items. Exclusive merchandise items will also be available shortly after our snack service.
Pwede ba mag-sino lang ako? Ba't sa ano na? Yan na tayo. Fine by me. Oh wow! Wow, we're actually at that. Look at the boat ah. My phone was shaking. My phone was shaking. Actually, it's not really puno. The airplane's not puno, guys. So yeah, if you guys are in space, you can skydive. Then yeah, then go to that sea. If you want to go to Manila, oh, get out. Guys, I don't know. Bro, what the? It's shaking again. I think we're at like 30. So yeah, it's high up here. I think this is the stratosphere. I don't know. surprising because people's eyesight is more like zoomed in, like more zoomed in. Kasi sa hello guys, we are so landing. We are already landing. Okay, flaps deploying. Oh yes, landing. Land. Butter, butter, butter. Please butter. Please butter. Please butter. Please. Bro, what the? Bro, what kind of water is that? Well, that was actually a kind of smooth. Okay, that was actually kind of butter. Okay, guys, kind of okay, just kind of, not really butter. Oh, there's a lot of planes. There's also a fighter jet. Yes, boys. So yeah, once again, this is the Cebu Pacific P4. So we landed at Naiya. I unbuckled my seat. Oh, there's a Singapore Airlines! There's a Singapore Airlines and the Korean Air. Philippine Airlines. Another Philippine Airline. Another Philippine Airline.
So everyone, Cebu Pacific, welcome to Ninoy Aquino International Airport. We're taxiing towards Naiya Terminal 3 for proper and safe disembarkation. For your safety and comfort, please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign. Please check your surroundings. You should not leave any of your personal belongings behind. Be cautious of the overhead bins as heavy items may have moved during the flight. Voice communication with the use of mobile phones is prohibited while the cabin doors are closed. Mangyari po lamang na manatiling nakaupo at hintay ang matanggal ng ilaw sa fasten seatbelt sign bago tumayo para kunin ang inyong mga kagamitan. Nais din namin ipang sa inyo ng paggamit ng palikuran sa mga sandaling ito ay mahigpit na pinagbabawal.
Philippine Airline, Philippine Airline, Philippine Airline. A Boeing, I
Pacific
think.
team headed by our flight deck lieutenant
Cebu
Valentino
Pacific.
and first officer. All good together with your cabin crew. We thank you for making Cebu Pacific for important moments. It is truly a
Fly
pleasure having you all on board
everyone.
and to fly you to more fun.
There's another Cebu Pacific,
Once again,
another.
thank you
So
everyone for
many.
flying Cebu Pacific.
There's so many Cebu Pacifics. There's I think there's a lot of Boeings. And that's a CEO and a Neo. There's Airbus, I don't know. Hello, some random Cebu Pacific. Let's fly everyone. Get out. Let's fly everyone. Look at that, boys. Yes.
We ask that you keep your area clean and tidy. Kindly clear your seat pockets of any remaining litter and please bring this with you as we leave.
Singapore.
May dispose this in a bin near the exit. We seek your
Singapore.
cooperation in ensuring that no litter is left behind the aircraft.
Go.
And for guests with infants diapers shall be collected after disembarkation. For safety reasons, leave the infant diapers inside the seat bucket And be reminded that unauthorized removal of the weapons from the aircraft is a serious offense.
Goodbye. Another Philippine airline. This Cebu Pacific doesn't have like a TV, but yeah, it's actually yeah. Oh, and also there's another one that's gonna fly. Or I don't know. Oh yeah, it's gonna fly. Diretso, boy. Oh, Singapore's. Why in the world is the no popular? Why in the world is popular the Cebu Pacific? I think it. For my answer, I think it's cheap. That's why it's popular. So that's the ATC right there. It's ATC. So yeah, I was from Boracay again. Oh yeah, it's taxi. I think a Neo is more better than a CEO. I made sense. Oh, there's another one. So it's like my fourth time riding a plane because yeah, technically I'm not a nerd, okay, please. Technically, well, every we will go to like yeah. So yeah, that wasn't really butter, but yeah. So guys, nandito pa na tayo. There's another one. Okay guys, we're here right now at Naiya. Yeah, I know it's but yeah. Just enjoy the ride, yeah, even though it's already taxing. Oh, the Cebu Pacific. It's yeah, it's flying. What the? Is that? Is that? Is that Ryan? I don't know. I'm not sure. Okay, I didn't really ride a Ryan airplane, but yeah. Cebu, Cebu, Cebu. Oh, there's a turboprop. There's a turboprop. There's turboprop. There, that's a turboprop. I wish I could like ride one in one of those. I already ride in a jet, which is this one, and yeah. I really want to go in a turboprop. Please don't say in the comments that I need to go to the military to like, yeah. Also, Filipino, so yeah. Hindi ko masyado ginagamit tong langwahe. Yan mana. Ayan ko. Ayan na yung yung turboprop. Parang igagamit ka to for like 5 minutes kasi yeah.
December for arrival in Crosscheck.
Your ferry crew stand momentarily to do a safety related procedure. Please remain seated.
Back from
Once again, please
4
wait for
days and
first
3 nights. No.
to be searched off before you stand to get your bag.
Thank you, Lord. Oh, it's more bigger. That kind of Airbus is more bigger than the CEO. The Neo is more bigger than the CEO. So yeah. Ano pala? Kakano lang pala niyan ah. Ano to? Ikala ko yung kotse ko. Punta dito. Paano lang yan? Dito na siya. Sa Manila. So yeah guys, nandito na tayo. And also I don't know what in the world is the bow. There's a helicopter. Helicopter. Miracopter. Okay, we landed at 11:30.